Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Jeff Culbert from Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, and today we're going to do a adjustment video, and we're going to be adjusting a relatively new patient. Jackie came in a couple of weeks ago, and she quoted herself as being an extremely hot mess. Okay, so she's just under care for a couple of weeks, so I figured it would be a great time to introduce people that are new to chiropractic, what goes on in our office, especially with a new patient and relatively new under care. This is what we call relief care. Primary focus during this phase of care is to bring her symptoms down by 50 to 100%, hopefully within the first 4 to 8 weeks, and then from there start to discuss what we're going to do to transition her into getting things more corrected and a little bit more stabilized. And when that occurs, then we'll start to talk to her about what are we going to do in terms of lifetime wellness type of care. So without further ado, this is Jackie. Jackie, say hello to everybody.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, so Jack, let's have you lay down on your back. And as always, we're going to start off by taking a look at Jackie's leg lengths. You know, left short leg, it's not horrible. It was worse when she first came in. And so we're going to check her SI joint, and the left SI joint is off. And, yep, left SI joint. And we're going to check some digestive points, kidney points, stress points, and those are out. That's more than likely the hot mess stuff. And again, for everybody who's new to our YouTube videos, we use applied kinesiology in the office, so that's muscle testing to see what's going on. Not only are there stress receptors that are going on with Jackie, but there is also her proverbial tired spot and a little sinus action going on today. You can relax, Jack. I'm going to come down and check the leg lengths and check a couple of muscles here. You're going to hold leg up for me. I'm pushing down. Okay, right psoas muscle looks good. And hold, I'm pushing down. And the left psoas muscle looks good. Okay, so we're going to get started. We're going to block the pelvis with some SOT blocks. We'll work some acupressure points for stress receptors as well as thyroid point. And Jackie, craving more salts or sugars today?
Sugar.
Sugar is an indication of being overstressed. Salt would be an indication of the thyroid being a little bit off, but we'll tag stress today. 2. Okay, and I'm going to ask you to bring your arms down a little bit. And we're just going to rub the thyroid as well as the adrenal acupressure points. And you have 2 or 3 kids?
3.
3. Just so all you women out there know, women with 3 kids are the most stressed out people on the planet. So if you guys that have 3 kids are not under chiropractic care, you got to find a chiropractor soon. There we go. Thank you. There we go. How was work today?
Long, but okay.
Okay, good. Okay, you ready, Jack? You're going to just relax. You are going to smile. There we go. And you're going to smile again. There we go. That was just a little bit of tension there, don't you think?
I don't know if they can hear it, so.
I think they heard that one in China. Okay. Doing okay so far?
Hmm?
Good. Now, are the kids off from school this week, or is that next week?
Next week.
Next week, okay.
Only one, though.
He'll be your helper.
Yeah. Sure. Whatever you say.
Gives a new definition to mommy's little helper.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's ask you to lay on this side, Jack. Okay. No reference to this Rolling Stones song, okay? Okay. And you're going to take a nice deep breath in all the way. Thank you. And face the other side. There we go, Jack.
Going on this side.
And all the way out. Relax. Smile. There you go. Turn on your stomach. I think I set off your watch.
Yeah. It's like alarm.
Okay. I'm going to see what's going on. Much better leg lengths. Position 2 actually looks pretty good, Jack.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Looks like we're getting this lower back area slightly stretched out.
Amazing.
How's it feel when you're sitting in the car?
Better.
Good, good. As we get this lower back, the L5-S1 stretched out, sitting should get a whole lot more comfortable. You doing the 90-90 stretches?
Yes.
Excellent. That'll help tremendously. Towel exercise getting done as well at the same time? Or
You
just...
got it.
Okay, perfect. And if anybody ever wonders, the 90-90 and the towel exercises are things that we can do to stretch the lower back as well as restore a normal curve into the neck. It's the toughest exercise you're going to have to do because all you got to do is lay on the floor for 15 or 20 minutes and not be interrupted by husbands or kids or dogs. Do me a favor, deep breath in, Jack. All the way out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And breathe in. And breathe out. Excellent, Jackie. Feel that relax?
Mm-hmm.
Try to keep it that way until I get back on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll try.
Okay. Okay. Take a deep breath in for me, kid. All the way out. There you go. And breathe in again. All the way out. There we go. Thank you. Okay, and your tired bone is out a little bit. There we go. Okay, and no headache, right?
No.
You just give them, you don't get them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay, so we're just going to traction open her neck a little bit. Relieve some of the pressure on those facet joints. There we go. Excellent, Jack. Okay, so this is how we're taking care of a relatively new patient into our office, mother of 3. Again, technically, on the statistical scale, mothers of 3, because of all the crazy stuff that goes on with 3 kids and trying to juggle their crazy schedules along with work and house activities. Mothers of 3 are typically known as the most stressed out people on the planet. So again, if you're a mom of 3 and you've been considering chiropractic care, hopefully this motivates you to find a chiropractor. Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, we like to consider ourselves as the leader in alternative health cares in the Hackettstown, Long Valley area. So if you're local, please stop by and visit our office. And if you found everything in this video interesting, we would love you to visit our website, smcc4u. And if you would like to share this, I'd love you to hit subscribe and hit like and share this with friends, family, and neighbors. So again, we get more moms and ultimately, hopefully, more kids under chiropractic care. That again, it's more wellness oriented. It's no drugs, no surgery. It's totally natural, very, very little to no side effects at all. So I think it's a perfect blend for what we're trying to do with the culture and society today, learning and leaning more towards alternative methods of care. So Schooley's Mountain Chiropractic Center, Dr. Jeff saying, you guys have a great afternoon and we'll see you in another video really soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.